It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Google Trends. If you are new to Google Trends or you have been using Google Trends for a very long time, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to explore and how to use Google Trends right now. Let me show you how. First thing first, you have to open up your Google browser. Then after you open up your Google browser, go ahead and come to your search right there and type in Google Trends, hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and click on the first result right here, which is trends.google.com. Go ahead and click on that, and in a few seconds it's going to take you to the Google Trends homepage right here. So you can explore from the homepage right here, and this is depends on the location that will determine what exactly you are going to see in the homepage right here. Okay, because I'm in Nigeria. That is my location, and that is where I'm getting some of the stuff right here in my homepage right here. Now, how do we explore Google Trends to make use of it in order to stay ahead in terms of keyword and marketing research? So we can go on and come to the top right here, click on this three slider. We have different tabs right here, such as explore, trending now, and search in here. Then these are the main three things we need in these sections right here: explore, trending, and search in here. So these are the three main things we need. So we want to go ahead and start with explore. Go ahead and click on explore, and it takes you to explore tab right here. So what do you do in explore tab right here? Here you compare and contrast and check some of the high volume and low volume of a search term across Google Web. Okay, now here under the explore tab, you can add your search term right here, which is also known as keyword. Like for instance, we want to know how people are searching for a particular keyword. Let's say food recipe, food recipe. Okay, so how people are searched for food recipe in Google. So you can see the suggested options right here. So we can say, go ahead and click on the food recipe. So we get some graph about the keyword right here. Now, how do you understand this graph? First, one thing you need to know here is that this has to do with location. Like for instance, my current location here is Nigeria. So if I decide to check on this particular keyword from United States, what I need to do is to simply click on here and then choose United States right here. So we want to see how people are searching for food recipe as far as location by United States is concerned. So go ahead and look for United States. So continue to scroll down, and continue to scroll down. So here we go. So this is I saw United States. Okay, so this is United States. Just click on it and it gives you every result in United States. You can see. So this is the graph right here. Now that is for past year, and you can scroll down and see some of the detail about the keyword. Okay. Now, one thing I want you to know here is that this search volume here are comprised of image search, YouTube search, and Google search. You can decide to categorize them one after the other, and also we can do topic or keyword search comparison. For that, go ahead and click on this particular plus sign right here. Then you can add another topic right here. Now, let's say for instance, we want to see how people are react to Facebook ads. Facebook ads. Okay, so Facebook ads, click on it, and then in a few seconds we are going to get a graph and the result about Facebook ads, just like what you see right here. So you can see a graph result for Facebook ad, which is indicated as this type of color right here. So you can see the graph right here. So now what we want to do right here is that we can check on the, so this location still remain in United States. We can check on the recently trending topics for the keyword for this topic. So we can go ahead and click on past year. So we can decide to check how people are still searching for this in recent time. So go ahead and choose 24 hours ago, and then let's see the results. So you can see in the last 24 hours in United States, we still have food recipe as the highest volume right here, which give us 63, and Facebook ad give us 11 search volume right here. You can scroll down and check on the detail. You can see Food Network, food recipe, food near me, Angel food cake recipe, Angel food cake, food ideas, chill food processor, Mexican food. Now, you can scroll down right here and so you can check on the Facebook options right here. So there is no much relevant key for Facebook search on Facebook ads in the last 24 hours. Let's say, for instance, we want to compare with Google Ads. So we can click on here and enter Google Ads, and we click on search, and then let's wait for the result, and it's going to give us another graph. So here we have Google search to be higher volume compared to Facebook ads. So if you come to our graph right here, we have food recipe to be 64, and then we have Facebook ad to be 12, and we have uh, 30 for Google Ads as far as United States as a location is concerned in the last 24 hours. These are things you need to consider. You can scroll down right here, and then this has just few information about this, about the food recipe. Now, we can check on some of the query on Facebook ads. Click on Facebook ads, then it gives you detail about Facebook ads, just like what you see right there. Then Google ads. So let's check on the queue, related queue, Google ads account, Google local ads, Google Facebook ads, Google ads manager, and you can see Google ads certification, Google local service ads, etc. So this is for Google setting sections right here. Now, one thing you need to take into consideration here is that these are just last 24 hours in the location of United States. We are trying to compare about three different topics entirely, which is food recipe, Facebook ads, and Google ads. And all these results here are based on Google web search. Okay, when people go to google.com and search and type the keyword on the site, these are the results in the last 24 hours from United States. Let's say, for instance, we want to check on the result based on another platform, maybe from YouTube. For that, what we want to do is to click on here, and then you have image search, news search, Google shopping, and YouTube search. I'm going to select on YouTube search. So let's see the result for YouTube search. So here we go. Now we have higher number of people that are watching food recipe video on YouTube right here as at the time of making this video. So you can see the graph shows here for the last 24 hours, there are more people. Then for Google Ads, there are a few people coming from the United States that are watching video tutorial about Google Ads. Then for Facebook ad, there are a few people from the United States also that are watching video tutorial about that. So we can scroll down right here. You can see the results for Google Ads. Let's take a look at Facebook Ads result for YouTube platform. So this is Facebook ad result on YouTube platform. So how to run Facebook ads tutorial, Facebook ads strategy, Facebook ads manager, and etc. So let's take a look at food recipe. So click on food recipe. Then you have all the volume right here. We have food fusion, Indian food, Chinese food, recipe, etc. Now, what we want to do here, we can go ahead and make a comparison and confirm this from YouTube. For that, I will go ahead and make sure I create a new tab right here, and I'll open up a YouTube app, YouTube website. Then here we go. So I will go ahead and get a keyword right here. So one of the search high volume right here, I will just go ahead and type these food recipes. Then I'll come to the YouTube right here and paste and search. Let's see the result. Now we see the result right here. So these are shots. Now here, this is the last 2 years ago. This video ranking about 905,000 views, and then you can scroll and then get some of the information. This one in the last 1 year ago is ranking 318,000 views as far as this particular food recipe is concerned. Nigerian recipe like Sicilian recipe, and you can see these are food recipe right here. And then there is a proof here that people are actually watching this type of topic on YouTube. Then Nigerian fried rice lasts for days. This is about 1.4 million views, and it's created about 1 year ago. So this is to tell you that there is more high volume and people are searching for this particular keyword in Nigeria, and at the same time, people are searching for this particular keyword in the United States on YouTube. These are all different food recipes. Let's go back to our Google Trend right here. Let's say we want to check on image search for food recipe. We can click on here now and click on image search. So let's find out the result. In the last 24 hours for United States, there is no actual result for this. This is because recipe has nothing to do with image search. That is why there is no result for that. So if you are targeted image search keyword, you should be able to know that you have to choose image search options. Then here we have Google Shopping. So let's take a look at the result for food recipe under Google Shopping in the last 24 hours. There is no actual result for that as well. Both food recipe, let's check on Facebook ads, no result for that. And let's check on Google ads, no result for that. But if we switch back to either Google web search or YouTube search, we'll be able to get so much result graph, just like so. So which simply means that these three keywords right here are very much possible to be successful if you create content for Google search or for YouTube search for people to watch the video. It's that simple. So this is how to use Google Trends right now. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Google Trends, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you